across the border, and it'll take you all the way over and bring you back to Florida.
All right, election happened, country's gone to shit. Going to Mexico. That's it.
I don't get anything for my 50 cents.
Yeah. It's like, go turn around, country's gone to hell. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so we're walking over to Mexico right now. We got to get a couple things from the pharmacy. There's the border wall. That's it. And there's Mexico on the other side. Free Palestine, bunch of other stuff that people have painted. Here's the cars going into America. Not entirely sure why. We just had an election. I tell them to turn around. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's go. Oh, Greg Abbott, yeah. Yep. All right, here it is. We're in Mexico. That was easy. Okay, let's go find the places we need to find and get the things we need to get and then go back to the States. All right, I'm in Mexico. We're literally just here to go to the pharmacy because my friend needs some medication. Anyway, yeah, that's it. So I just left the US the day after the election. Don't need to be there anymore. So got my passport. I can also go to the dental mall. You can also get like your teeth done. You can get whatever like butt implants you need, whatever you want. Anyway, okay, so yeah, you can get all these like drugs if you need. I don't need anything. I have the VA. I can get whatever I want for free. I don't take pills. Anyway, here we go. I think we might get a taco and then we'll walk back over. So that's the bridge we just walked over. Then we go to the other bridge to walk back. So, okay, all right. All right, we're done. We're gonna go walk over the other bridge back, and we have our driver, Avin. He's Lebanese, but he's lived in El Paso for quite a while, lived all over the world, and he is waiting for us to take us back. So, let's go. All right, for a Feliz Viaje, in order to get back over to America, we have to pay 40 cents in US dollars. That's our Tarifa de Peaje. The passing, and then we've got the so for a car it's $6, for a motorcycle no $36 for a car, pedestrians it's $6, motocicletas it's $18. I don't think that's dollars, I think that's pesos. Okay, all right, yeah, okay, all right, back to the country that we live. Do I put in, oh, is it pesos? Oh, these are pesos. Okay, make sure I put it in the right one. All right. Okay. All right, halfway to freedom. Goodbye, Mexico. All right, so we're walking back into Los Estados Unidos, which is America. So, bienvenido, Los Estados Unidos. ¿Dónde está mi casa? Where's my house? Anyway, this is El Paso, so we're walking back. They didn't barely even look at our passport, but now we're in the American side. And all these cars, sometimes it takes 3 hours to get through the Border Patrol. And I don't know if they're doing searches or what they do. Like, you know, these are just cars. People go to work in the morning, pretty much. There's a New Mexico license plate, bunch of Mexican license plates, but people coming over to work, all these people up here going to work in the morning, and we're just going over to get a burrito and go back to the van and then drive on the Tucson. And this sign says, welcome to the United States of America, but it doesn't show up on LED. All right, so there's no line for Americans. US citizens over here. Bus passengers, US citizens.
Oh.
But we just go through this door. I guess we just go through the same door. Okay, where's Americans?